We all dream. We dream of reaching higher, of succeeding, of changing our lives.
Maybe even the lives of those we love. We dream of a better place, a life of comfort, and a past we can look back on with pride. But dreams alone are not enough. Dreams are the spark, yes, but they won't light a fire unless you feed them. And the fuel is work, effort, sweat. Hard work is not a choice. It's a path. A long, tiring path filled with stumbles, moments of doubt, and times when giving up seems easier. But it's the only path that truly leads to real success. Because success is never handed out, never gifted, and it doesn't fall from the sky. It's built, brick by brick, with your effort, your struggles, your patience. You might look around and see others moving faster, succeeding with what seems like half the effort. But remember this, what's built fast falls fast. But what's built on the foundation of discipline, persistence, and honest work that stands tall and lasts. Hard work teaches you lessons no classroom ever could. It teaches discipline, it sharpens your will, and it shows you who you really are when you're exhausted. It is the mirror that reflects your strength, not just your image. It is the ladder you climb, step by step, and it never betrays those who keep climbing. Every hour you stay up chasing your goal, every moment you choose discipline over comfort, every time you rise after a fall, you're getting closer. Even if the results don't come today, don't stop, because hard work never goes to waste. It's an investment, and maybe you won't see the harvest now, but it's growing, it's coming. Believe that your effort will never be lost. Believe that no struggle is ever in vain when it's driven by purpose and a heart that refuses to quit. You don't need to be extraordinary. You don't need to have it all. You just need to keep going, to keep showing up, to keep giving it your best. And one day, you'll be amazed, not just by how far you've come, but by the strength you found in yourself along the way.